Netgear Nighthawk AX8 is a fairly advanced wireless router that's capable of providing internet speeds up to 6 Gbps. It can provide ultra-fast internet speeds with up to 8 simultaneous streams that has 4 times better performance than the regular routers. The Nighthawk AX8 comes with the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard with backward compatibility. It is powered by a quad-core processor that lets you enjoy smooth 4K UHD streaming, gaming, and more without any hassles. The router has 6 Gigabit Ethernet ports for uninterrupted connectivity and fast data transfer. This router connects to your smartphone via the Nighthawk app for remote access, offering you a greater control of your internet connection. The router can be paired with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant from the app and can be controlled by using voice commands. The router has a wide range of coverage with 8 antennas working together to provide a robust connection. Netgear Nighthawk AX8 is ideal for connecting to multiple devices, watching 4K videos, or binge watching on Netflix. So those were some of the features of the Netgear Nighthawk AX8. Thanks for watching.